crucial evidence hearing receiving national attention is on hold until Monday. Luigi Mangione, the suspect in the death of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, was unable to appear in court due to illness on Friday. His lawyers are arguing over what evidence should be admitted in his eventual trial. At the heart of the issue is a backpack containing a 3D printed pistol and a notebook filled with his emotions on the health insurance industry. Here to discuss is trial attorney Rich Schoenstein. Rich, welcome back. Always good to see you.
Good to see you.
First, I love the background, very festive. But going back to the case, there's a lot of chatter over the search of Mangione's backpack at the time of his arrest. His lawyers argue it was illegally searched without a warrant. What is the likelihood that evidence will be thrown out?
I don't think that evidence will be thrown out. It was indeed searched without a warrant, so they have a viable argument that they're making. I think most attorneys would make the same argument. But law enforcement says they had a reason to look in the backpack. They were concerned under the circumstances it might have a bomb or something else dangerous, and because of that, they needed to look inside. That seems to me like reasonable justification, and I think it's probably going to carry the day.
We talked about the backpack. Now I want to ask you about the body cam footage from Mangione's arrest and testimony from the arresting officer. Now, the defense is saying that he shouldn't, that the testimony barred from the case, arguing he was questioned while in custody without being read his Miranda rights. Do they have a valid argument when it comes to the body cam video?
Yeah, this is a sticky issue because in my estimation, he was Mirandized late. There's testimony that the very first officer that encountered him thought he had the guy. There's been testimony that at one point Mangione said he didn't want to answer questions, but it took 20 minutes to Mirandize him. And some of what occurred in that 20 minutes, if it was statements by Mangione, could be suppressed. I don't know that the prosecution is really relying on those statements, but there is an issue there.
What can we expect when the hearing resumes on Monday, Rich? We know one of the Pennsylvania patrolmen who was there when Mangione was taken into custody will testify. What's the interest there? Is it the Miranda rights or it being read 20 minutes later?
Yeah, I think that's part of it. Listen, this presentation has been meticulous to sort of give you a minute-by-minute rundown of what happened when he was arrested in that McDonald's. So it's going to continue. Now, the judge has raised concern that some of what he's hearing is duplicative. That's kind of a message to the attorneys. Hey, guys, speed it up. So the judge could be running a little low on patience at this point, but you're getting an account from everybody who was there minute by minute about what happened.
We'll see how it plays out on Monday.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.